Hey guys, so in this video we are going to be using this three products to melt this lace down properly. You can check the description box to get the details of the products and their names. And so it's supposed to be giving us this beautiful look at the end of the day. So let's go straight to business. For this video I'll definitely be teaching you how to melt down your hair blend frontal lace. So this is not a HD lace, it's the normal lace. So first thing first, you have to bleach the lace to the person's skin tone, which I've already done off camera. First thing, I like cutting my lace out before I will not line the airlines which I would want to be placing my lace glue. Then I'll allow the lace glue to be clear completely, like so. When it's clear completely, that's when I will now press down the frontal on the part which is clear, because I marked the part which I'm going to be putting the glue. So you have to make sure you put thin layers. Like this one, I added the glue 3 times. After the first run, I went for the second one and then the third one. Then I allow it to air dry. I did not use hand dryer or low heat. I allow it to air dry. So you can use maybe your hand fan to fan it. I realized that one, it's more sticky and it holds better. So here I'm just using my comb to pressing it down. Then I'll be going in with my hand dryer using a low heat to blow dry it. Before I tie it, I'll be going in with this Eben spray. I'll be adding a little amount of it on the lace. So this will help melt the lace even before I use my melting spray. So it will help melt the lace. So I'll go in with my dryer again using a low heat to blow dry it. After blow drying it, I use my comb to press it down gently because it's definitely going to be very sticky. Then I'll tie the hair. So when I tie the hair, I'll have to leave it for some minutes. Then I remove the band. Then I'll start styling the hair. Here I've not used my melting spray. I will first style the hair before I will use my melting spray. So I'm just bringing out the edges which I'll be working with. Then I'll hot comb it like so. If you follow this procedure which I'm showing you, it will make the whole job easier for you and a bit faster, and you still get your flawless look. Like installing a blend hair, this is the easiest method I've used and I've gotten a very beautiful and flawless look. So I always advise you don't take too much of the hair when you want to do your edges. Like this hair, it came pre-plucked, so I didn't actually pluck the hair. So if yours is too full, you can definitely pluck it. So I'm just going in with my stretcher to stretch the front using a low heat. Don't forget, this is a hair blend wig, so if you use high heat, it's not going to come out very beautiful. So I'm just using low heat. Then I'll be going in with this Gorilla Hair Wax. I like using this Gorilla Hair Wax because it gives me these flawless edges whenever I want to do my edges. So preferably use the Gorilla Hair Wax and also the Eben spray. You can also use Got2b spray in place of the Eben spray. So depending on the one that is available in your location. This is a part where I take my time to do the edges because the edges must be very beautiful and flawless. So while I'm using this Gorilla Hair Wax to do my edges, I will use the hand dryer with low heat to blow dry it, because if you don't blow dry it while you're doing the edges. Since it's a blend hair, it won't really slap the person's skin, like it will be stressing you, unlike a good human hair wig. So, and I prefer using this wax because it tends to last longer. But if you don't have this gorilla hair wax, you can also use your normal hair wax on it and it will still come out very beautiful. It's just that this installation is supposed to last the person minimum a week, so we using hair wax that may have some water base or oil will not be advisable for the lace, so it will last longer. So after doing that, I'll go in with my Eben spray. The reason I'm spraying it is just for extra hold, and most time if you want your installation to last you longer, you can go in with this procedure because it definitely lasts longer. So I will just go in and dry it again and use my comb to press it down, because you need to press it down. If you don't press it down, it won't be smooth. So that's what I'm just gonna do on the other side of the hair. As you can see, so far the lace is already melt. We've not even used the melting spray. If you've not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, click the notification bell, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. And I'm just going in with my wax stick and I hot comb your hair down. So the melting spray is actually the last thing I'm applying on this installation process. The melting spray, that's the last thing I'm applying, because I realized that when I'm doing a blend hair, if I apply this melting spray earlier, it will give me whitish particles. So I stopped that method and I started doing this method, and it always comes out very beautiful. Here I'm just styling the hair and see how gorgeous she's looking. Don't forget to tie the hair with your band for the last time, and after that, this is the finished look. See how beautiful this hair is looking. Don't forget to give me a review on this procedure. Bye, see you in my next video. I love you guys so much.